How to make such a hat mountain shape? Because the fishing line cannot pass through the hat. Hang. We are on the camera light stand. Install a bracket. Put the molding rack on it. Certainly, it is also possible to tie it with a rope. At the collar interface here, install the hat bracket connector. There is a transparent plastic sheet on the connector. Position used to prop up the chin. Put the ends of the hat pole. Insert connector. Tighten the screws. Don't let the hat pole move casually. It looks like this when it's packed. Let your little assistant. First, where the hat shirt drawstring is drawn, put on a wire first. Open the edge of the hat. Put the support rod in the hat. Hold the back of the hat. Use a clear plastic sheet. Insert between the hat and the support rod. Open the top of the hat. The front end of the wire is stuck on the edge of the hat. Here the hat is fully propped up. Clear plastic sheet here on the chin. Pull it up. The place where the chin and neck are stretched open. The hat is completely unfolded. It's easy to liquefy it after shooting. In addition, you can also use this hemispherical cap holder. Round hat top. Pull the brim wire. Do this shape.